guys, it's me, Queen Crazy, and as you can see, I'm going to be playing some Fortnite. So right now, I am in the lobby, and I'm going to be playing in squads. Well, I might play in solo. So I'm going to be playing in solo, so that I can, so it's easier and nobody's like talking in the background. So here we go, and I'm going to be pressing play. So it takes a little while to try and find somebody to play with. Unless you have a solo, then it's really easy. And it'll have a wait screen that might take a little while, so we'll just wait. And so I have friends, but I don't think any of them, none of them are playing. So I can't really find a party. Alright, so now we are almost there, and first I think we might be on the battle bus, or we might be in the waiting area, so we will just have to see where we start out at. Alright, so we're starting out at the waiting area, and I am just going around. Okay, so now we're on the battle bus. I like to plan where I want to stay, so right in the middle of the island's good, so I'm going to kind of go near Dusty Depot. So we'll just go to Dusty Depot, and when we think we see that we're like right above it on the map over in the corner, we'll go there. So in a couple of seconds, I will be jumping off. Alright, and I'm gonna jump off. So I'm just gonna make my way over to the depot, and there might already be people in there, so that might be a little bit dangerous. So, oh, they're the best. So last time I tried, and so like my first time playing this, it was really fun, except I went into some place like this and I got killed really fast, so it's probably not the best. So right now I'm really excited because I just found a gun and ammo right on the top of the roof, so that's good, and it's an assault rifle, so that's nice. Okay, there's a gun in there. 3 guns actually. So I'm gonna go in there. And I'm wounded because I just jumped off. Alright, well, I'm going to be getting these. Alright, and this is nice. It's a tactical shotgun, so that will be very helpful. And a grenade. Okay, nice. So I have really bad aim, so this should help. We are going to make our way somewhere safe. We're going to be planting a bunch of those little teepee things. So I'm gonna try and destroy this truck so that I can have some for the teepees, and we're gonna make a whole field of them so that they don't know which one I'm in. And then if the storm my shrinks, I'll just destroy the one that I'm in. So I need to make sure that I have enough to at least get me like 9 or 10. Alright, it's taking a while, so let me go find a big open spot. I think maybe in the middle of the storm ice, so we'll get there first, and I think near the river would be good, so like about here. Alright, and we'll make our way that way. So if you go to the top bar, you'll see a blue line, and there's somebody over there. So let's go before I get killed. Alright, well, I'm gonna go so I don't get shot. I am more worried about my safety than my than my guns. I'm gonna get my gun in my hand just in case. Looks like somebody might have been building over here. So alright. I see a big stone, or not a big stone, like big rock sanctuary type thing. I think I might build it on top of there so that it will just be secure. I wish I could get to the top, but sadly I don't think there's a path to get up there. So I'm not going to be able to make it. I do see some people, so I'm just going to try to go fast. Definitely think I'm going to have to build to get away from this. Dang it. Yeah, I don't have enough strength. Okay, I'm going to press F3. So I do not know where it is. Right. It's a little bit. Apparently it's kind of being difficult. So oh, and somebody shot me. I was trying to get to my gun, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment of what I should do next. I might be playing Fortnite. I might be playing Roblox. We'll just see when that happens. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace. Bye. Don't forget to keep calm and dream on.